Hello and welcome to Lovely English Stories. Thank you for stopping by. This story is written for beginner English learners. Ready? Let's get started. A2 English story. Having a baby. Nina has always wanted to be a mum. Ever since she was a little girl, she has wanted at least one child. Nina is 7 months pregnant. Nina is 32. She is married to Ryan. Nina is a hairdresser and Ryan is a radiographer. They met at a friend's wedding. They have been together for 8 years and married for 2. They got married in Spain. They live in a 3-bedroomed house on a quiet road. They saved up for a long time to be able to buy it. They have started to decorate the small bedroom. It will be the baby's nursery. It is a lovely room. Nina and Ryan are excited but nervous to become parents. Nina has younger siblings, so she is used to being around children. Ryan is worried about Nina and the baby. He hopes that everything will be okay. Nina has had morning sickness throughout her pregnancy. She had to go to the hospital because she was so ill. She is better now, but she feels tired and sick a lot. Ryan has looked after Nina. He is very kind and caring. Nina will finish working 1 month before the baby is due. She will have a year off on maternity leave. Ryan will have 2 months off after the baby is born. Some of this will be holiday days and some will be paternity leave. In the UK, many companies offer paid paternity leave. Nina and Ryan can't wait to spend time together with their baby. Nina wants a boy and Ryan wants a girl, but they will both be happy if the baby is healthy and happy. They know having a baby will be hard work, but they are looking forward to it. Nina's parents live in the same village, so they will help with childcare. And Ryan's mum also lives close by. Ryan's brother lives across the street. and his wife is also pregnant. So when the cousins are born, they will have someone to play with. When Nina's maternity leave is over, she will go back to work 3 days a week. Ryan will work 4 days a week as he wants to spend time with his baby. They have bought everything they need for the baby, including the pram, clothes, bottles, and toys. Nina has blonde hair and brown eyes, and Ryan has black hair and blue eyes. So they are excited to see what the baby will look like. If it is a girl, they will call the baby Rose. And if it is a boy, they will call him Tobias. Now they just have to play the waiting game. Now, let's go through some vocabulary from this short story. Nursery, nursery. A nursery is a room in a house where small children sleep and play. It's also a place where young children and babies are taken care of while their parents are at work. Sickness, sickness. Sickness is vomiting and the condition of being ill. Throughout, throughout. Throughout means in every part or during the whole period of time. Able, able. To be able to do something means you can do it. Become, to become. To become is to start to be. Born, to be born. To be born is to come out of a mother's body and start to exist. Everything, everything. Everything means all things. Healthy, healthy. If you are healthy, you are strong and well. Ill, ill. If you are ill, you are not feeling well, or you might be suffering from a disease. Including, including. Including is used for mentioning that someone or something is part of a particular group or amount. Married, married. To be married is to have a wife or a husband. Offer, to offer. To offer is to provide or supply something. Quiet, quiet. To be quiet is to make very little noise. To spend or spend time. To spend time is to use time doing something or being somewhere. Worried, worried. If you are worried, you are unhappy because you are thinking about problems or unpleasant things that might happen. Radiographer. Now be careful with this one. You might want to pronounce it radiographer or something similar, but it's pronounced Radiographer. A radiographer is a person who operates a machine that uses radiation, so they make x rays to take pictures of the inside of people or things, or for the treatment of disease. So perhaps if you hurt your arm, you might see a radiographer as they will take an x ray of it. We hope you enjoyed this lovely English story and the vocabulary explanations. Thank you for stopping by. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Get productive and check out our language learning productivity packs and stories on Etsy. Don't forget to use code YouTube10 for 10% off. You can find the link in the description box below. See you soon!